Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech, and today we have the PC filter by CleanOffice. Now this is essentially a dust filter that can be placed on the backside of your PC, filtering the dust that can be inserted through the power supply grill. Now this is a really low cost solution by CleanOffice that can be applied on old PCs, some office PCs and even a newer one. And assuming that is a really typical PC case that doesn't have an airflow grill or it isn't an open case. So as you can see here, we have the clean filter that is a white color and the used one takes this black coloring, assuming this is all from the collected dust. And I suppose at this point you just have to change the filter. So without further ado, let's open the box and check the filter itself, or I just should say filters, as it seems there's nothing else in the box, but we have two filters included, so you already have the replacement. That's really nice. Now as you can see, we have this honeycomb pattern on the outside with a frame that has these stickers for sticking this filter on the back of your PC case. The second replacement seems identical. Given their prices, these two filters seems a really great offer. So let's open one of them and check closely what this filter is all about. Now we just have to rip this packaging apart from here, like that. Now I consider this product really essential for anyone, for his PC protection. It is well known that dust is really bad for electronics. Apart from cleaning them, that is a really boring process. Now it seems that the filter can filter here the dust that is an intake or an outtake given your fan setup. The dust will be trapped here. This can be placed where your power supply is. I see the adhesive tapes are having a cushion, I guess, for the best fit. Now I'm hoping that this adhesive tape will last and it won't cut the airflow of your power supply, but the ventilation seems guaranteed through these holes and again can be easily removed. Overall, this is a great product to save your PC from dust on low budget. So this was the unboxing of the CleanOffice PC filter. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from Tech, thank you for watching.